Prakriti, a third year BBA student with a passion for creativity. When I realized that college alone wasn't giving me the practical skills needed for today's job market, I started exploring digital marketing. That's when I came across DigiDir Academy and it completely changed the game for me. I joined their online batch to balance college and learning. From day one, the classes were interactive, hands on, and focused on real tools, not just theory. They covered everything from SEO to ad campaigns, all through practical assignments that helped me build my own portfolio. What made the biggest difference was learning under Saurabh Chabra, the founder and our mentor, who brings over 15 years of digital marketing experience. He didn't just teach, he shared behind the scenes insights, actual client case studies, and pushed us to think like real marketers. Within 4 months of completing the course, I started getting freelance work through LinkedIn, all because of the confidence and skills I gained here. The best part, I was never treated like just a student. The entire experience made me feel like a marketer in the making. If you're in college and want to turn your free time into real world experience, DGDR Academy is where you start and learn from the best.